S&B sway bar Relocate, part number 105029. It's going to do a few things here. So we're going to actually lower the sway bar down to kind of compensate for the lift we put on this truck. This truck took a 4.5 inch, but this kit fits all 2.5 inch to like 5.5 inch lifts. So we're going to lower it down. We've got multiple holes on this face here, so this sway bar is fully adjustable front to back. So we recommend putting it in the middle hole first and going lock to lock. Make sure you don't touch the sway bar. If you do, we can adjust it further backwards or forwards, depending on lift height. Then we've also got new end links here, and then we've got our axle adapters. And so we're pushing the whole sway bar end link in a little bit and adapting to a 90-degree bolt through style. So this is a super important part. We retain the factory sway bar. This is great for these trucks, GVWR. So if you're towing a lot, you're not going to lose any capacity, and that front end's still going to be really planted with a bunch of weight on the truck. So factory sway bar, we just relocate it, retain the factory bushing so it's not going to squeak or anything. New end links and axle adapters, super easy install, but another important part of the full kit.